Hi everyone. Every tip you're about to hear in this video has been verified by expert mechanics, so take a deep breath. We're going to fix it together. If your Jeep suddenly shows the message Uconnect phone not available, don't panic or assume the system just died. Basically, Uconnect is telling you, hey, I can't communicate with your phone right now. This usually happens when the system can't detect Bluetooth properly or a previous connection is failing. The first thing mechanics recommend is forgetting the old pairing and repairing your phone from scratch. It's like rebooting the relationship between your Jeep and your phone. Most of the time, the error disappears and everything works again. Surprisingly simple, but effective. If that doesn't work, many mechanics suggest doing a soft reset of Uconnect. This involves holding certain buttons like volume and tuner, depending on the model, until the screen restarts. It's like a quick computer reboot. It clears temporary Bluetooth glitches and gives the system a fresh start. In more stubborn cases, when a soft reset isn't enough, you may need a hard reset, which wipes all system settings and restores it to factory defaults. This removes old connections and internal errors that a soft reset couldn't fix. Many mechanics report that after a hard reset, Uconnect recognized phones perfectly again. Another important point, sometimes the problem isn't the Jeep at all, it's the phone. Certain Android or iOS versions can be incompatible with Uconnect or have corrupted Bluetooth profiles. Updating your phone or deleting the old connection often helps a lot in these situations. Finally, mechanics at this shop warn that on older models, Uconnect might not have Bluetooth enabled from the factory. This means that even if the buttons appear, the phone function isn't actually active, and the message isn't an error. It's just a limitation of the system.